Hi guys, welcome back for another video. I'm Jess and I'm one of the creative designers here at Sizzix. I have here the new Sizzix Sidekick with its starter kit. I was going to say Sizzix Sidekick Starter Kit. That is a mouthful. Try and say that 3 times fast. But we have a brand new starter kit that comes along with your Sidekick, including embossing, dies, stamps. So I'm going to open it and go through it and obviously show you some of the gorgeous projects that we have to inspire you guys to make at home if you get your hands on this. So this is mine. So this is my little baby. This is the one that I've been using for all of my projects since I've been able to get my hands on it. So bear in mind, mine will be used, the stamps will be used, the plates will be marked. But obviously, when you order a brand new one, it won't be like that. It will be shiny, brand new, untouched. So obviously you can see from the box, we've got a ton of inspiration on there for you. But then on the back, you've also got a full list of kind of everything that you get in the box. So you have obviously got your Sidekick machine, your 2 plates, your embossing plate, you've got an embossing folder, and then you've got stamps and framelits dies that cut alongside those stamps. So they're perfectly shaped to match those. So all of your goodies are kind of going to be at the top, obviously all wrapped way better than mine are. So you've got your plates, so these ones are like the kind of grey colour, and then you've got your embossing folder as well. Well, your embossing plate, so that means you can use your embossing folder with your Sidekick. And this is the embossing folder that comes with it. So you've got this gorgeous kind of geometric design, and when you are using this with your Sidekick, you want to use 1 clear plate and your embossing plate as well. So that is going to mean that you can use your embossing folder with these. Bear in mind, guys, you can't use your kind of 3D regular embossing folders with your Sidekick. They have to be these specific ones that will fit through your Sidekick machine. So just bear that in mind with your Sidekick. You also get, like I mentioned previously, you get the dies, the framelits, and the stamps that go with them. So you can see that they match with the stamps. So obviously the circle will be able to cut out the wreath. You've got the kind of floral element that will fit around there perfectly. Things like the arrow, stuff like that, so you can cut those out perfectly. You've also got a few extra elements in regards to the stamps as well as the dies, so things like your little hearts and tags and things. So they are perfect, and you'd be amazed at the amount of things that you can create just using this set. It is honestly astonishing, and obviously we'll go through some of the projects. And then the kind of showstopper is obviously your Sidekick machine. So you've got your white Sidekick machine. You've obviously got the kind of mechanism on the side, which means you can push it down and it attaches to your surface, so it's not going to kind of move about. As long as it is a flat even surface, then it will suction onto there perfectly. So you've got that suction pad, which is great, and then obviously your hand crank handle. So you'll just sandwich your cardstock and your die in between those 2 clear plates and just roll it through, and it cuts beautifully. Obviously I'm going to do a tutorial for you guys to show you a make more in depth, but we've also got reels and things like that, so you can see the machine actually in action and show me making things. So just a quick touch on the kind of things that you can create. So obviously we've got things like our gorgeous cards. So you've got things where you can create full backgrounds, so you can create a full background that is just using 2 stamps, the bee and the little trail, and then using some of the elements over the top. You can definitely do something like that. We've got ones where we've taken main elements and cut them out and then place them over the top of the embossing background. There's so many things, guys. We've got ones where we've stamped it and then created a lovely wreath using our stamp and spin. Got a gorgeous little birthday badge there that we've done in a reel, so make sure you check that out using some of the elements and the stamping bits. I've got a couple of birthday cake toppers that we've also done in a video. I'm knocking things over now, guys, sorry. I'm getting excited. You could even decorate gift bags, box lids, gift tags, anything like that. And then you could even start to use it as kind of frame decorations as well. So we've got a gorgeous image in kind of a Polaroid style image with your background using that gorgeous floral design. So honestly, just from that small selection of stamps and dies and embossing folder, the amount that you can create is amazing. And I think this is a great starting off point if you're just getting into die cutting and embossing. This is a great place to start, to kind of be your little dip your toe in. Or honestly, I find that most people have one of every machine, because this will be their little one that they take on the go, they do little quick things with, and then they have their regular big shot for their kind of bigger projects, and that stays out, and this is kind of your more on the go machine. It's completely up to you what suits you, but I do think this is an amazing staple to have in your collection. So go and check it out now, guys. Head on over, see if it's available, still available. I hope it is, I'm sure it will be, because it is brand new. So go and check it out on the Sizzix website, and let me know if you guys create anything using this brand new starter kit. I'd love to see it. Share it across all our socials so we can see it, and yeah, I can't wait to see what you guys create. I know I will be creating loads more things using this collection because it's just super, super cute. So that is all from me today, guys. Make sure to check out all the reels and tutorials that we make with this new starter kit, and I'll see you in the next one. But until then, stay safe and keep crafting. Thanks, bye.